Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? So in this series we're going to kind of explore what do you need, what don't you need, what can you get by with not having in your makeup routine as a beginner. And there's a lot of things that are optional. There's a lot of things that I personally think are very, very important. So I'm gonna be using the same intro for every video. So if it looks familiar, that's because it is. Fourth video, we're gonna finish out our eyes and do the final touches on our face. Without further ado, let's get started on this series, guys. Yes, my niece is still screaming in the background. So this is the second portion to the eyes, and we're just going to finish them off and be done. A lot of this stuff is very optional. So normally at this process, I would do my brows. This is my favorite brow pencil and my favorite brow gel. Brows. I don't think I have any problems with not doing my brows. I just like filling them in, especially right here, because they are pretty sparse. But are eyebrows essential? No, I don't think so. If you have eyebrows like mine, you're just fine. If you don't have eyebrows, probably going to be essential to do that. But for me, not so much. Pencil eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. Are they necessary? No, because I'm going to show you a trick on how you can get away with not having to use eyeliner. Bye. It's not, you don't need it. Okay? So I'm going to show you how or why you don't need it. Okay? So, of course, dirty brush. Give me a second. Okay? So I'm going to dip back into my LA Colors palette here. I'm going to go back into this very dark shade right here that we used in our crease. And this is a Wet n Wild brush. I think this is like their flat eye definer or something. I can't remember what the name is. Okay. And I'm going to literally just pack this. I'm going to flip it back and forth, pack all that color on there. Now I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to lock this focus so we don't go out of focus, okay? So now I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna get really wide eyed, so bear with me. And then just stamp that along my lower lash line. Just like that. And it takes the place of using eyeliner. It looks like eyeliner from a distance. You wouldn't be able to know that it's eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna use, this is the AOA Studio High Definition brush in E105. It's real pointy. I'm gonna load up this brush and run it in there and just smudge it out some more, so it's not so harsh. I'm gonna dip back in. I'm gonna do the exact same thing over here. That is that portion done. That's how you use your eyeshadow to look like eyeliner. You don't need eyeliner when you have eyeshadow. Okay, the last few steps, lashes. Do you need them? No, you don't. Do you need a lip liner? No. You don't. Lip gloss, lipstick? I think so. I'm gonna put a lip gloss on. This is gonna be crazy. This is my Huda Beauty. I love it because it's so like moisturizing. This is their Lip Strobe and Enchanting. Beautiful. We're almost done. Mascara. Well, I would say very, very important. Mascara. So this is by Essence. This is Lash Princess. This is the volume mascara. It's got a cool shaped wand. I love mascara. Mascara transforms.
1222.
perfect. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, look at how pretty those lashes look. All right, so mascara is done. The very last step that I like to do is setting spray. And that, guys, is the finished look. So thank you guys so much. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. And we'll catch you in the next one.